Shakas! Aloha, crafty friends. It's Maka from Makaz Home. I just wanted to say thank you so much for joining me on this crafty journey, for watching all the videos in the swap. I hope you guys have enjoyed yourself as much as I have, opening the gifts as well as gifting. And we're almost down to the wire. Christmas is this weekend. And are you guys done shopping? I hope you guys have been able to enjoy the season, that you guys are staying safe and healthy. Thank you so much again, Scrappy Tate, for hosting. Thank you again, Sandy, for all the wonderful presents I've received. I appreciate it so much. So much. But how cute is this gnome? He is the front of this bag. How cute. And she's put some specials in the bag. Oh, look. They are bath bombs. Thank you so much. I love to pamper myself. Thank you so much for these bath bombs. I appreciate them so much. Yeah, so hopefully you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.